Happy, happy.
Cash, I can.
Yeah, why not? Welcome back. आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही? भैया दोबारा मैं अपने लौंडे के साथ हूँ। इसके साथ दोस्ती होगी बड़ी अच्छी वाली। तो कल रात को ना मैं सो गया था बहुत जल्दी, इसने मुझे रात को 2 बजे मैसेज किया, कहता सी फूड खाएगा कल? मैंने कहा खाएगा ही नहीं, पाड़ेंगे सी फूड। कहता बफे है $60 का, जितनी देर मर्जी बैठो खाओ। मैंने कहा चलो, तो उसने कहा चल ठीक है मैं तेरे 3 बजे पिक करूँगा। मैंने कहा ओके। 3 बजे पिक कर ली मुझे, अब पिक करके जा रहे हैं। Look at the traffic, dude. So nice. Vietnam traffic is like, oh my god. चौथा दिन वियतनाम में और अभी यहाँ पे मैं और Ethan and me, we are here to eat seafoods. I have cash, yeah.
Yeah, you wait first and tonight I give you money.
Okay, okay. No worries, I have cash. हम आए हैं यहाँ पे सी फूड खाने के लिए, बफे पे। लाइन लगी हुई है। Where's the line?
$400,000.
400,000. Okay. तो ये है बफे। It's right over there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. The beer. Okay.
Follow me, follow me. I give you.
Okay. चलो जी, तो सीन ऐसे है कि ये है 2 लाख का बफे। इसमें सारी सी फूड है और कोई टाइमिंग नहीं है।
Follow me.
Follow you. Alrighty. Thank you. 2 people. Follow you. I'll follow you. यहाँ पे अब 2 लाख का। हेलो Xin chào. No, hello, xin chào. Here? Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay. Sit here.
Sit down, check. Listen for me.
Yeah.
This water.
It's unlimited.
No limited. You can refill.
You can refill. Okay.
Seafood right here.
Okay.
Meat.
Meat. Okay, meat right over there. Okay.
You can look one around.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Can I put this over here? No.
No.
Okay. Let me take my glasses as well. You want to take this one? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. You're hungry, I can see. अच्छा, तो ऐसा सीन है कि 2 लाख का बफे है और इसमें हर सी फूड है और सी फूड ही खानी है।
Check the food.
Okay.
The water first.
Yeah, the water first.
The water good for health.
This is tea?
Yeah, no. The water good for health.
Okay.
Not tea.
Okay.
You can try.
I'll take this.
No
one.
limit.
No limit?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take this one, and then I want to take this one.
Okay.
Do you have glass? Okay, good. Some ice?
No limit.
No limit.
No VAT, no fee.
Fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking
Total
about.
400,000. That's it.
That's it?
You can eat 10 p.m. No
Okay.
problem. No time.
No ice, no ice, no ice.
No ice?
No ice, mine no ice.
Really?
Yeah, I don't drink ice. This will be cold, yeah. It's
Little
cold.
bit cool. Little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
Little bit.
Wait, is this? Oh fuck! Oh fuck! There's shrimps. Oh shit! Okay, shrimps, lala,
Fresh.
oysters. Fuck, man, this is way too good. Oysters, oysters. Okay, peanuts. I don't know. I think sugar, sweet, right?
So sweet.
Yeah, sweet, sweet. Yeah.
You can look around.
Oh damn. Damn, this is good shit. Okay. Let's take it. Chicken wings.
For seafood.
Okay. Let's put seafood. I can eat any seafood, no problem.
No problem.
No problem. Seafood, anything.
No limit.
No limit. Seafood.
Too much, too much.
This is lamb.
I want smoke with
This is lamb.
This lamb.
Yeah.
Pep.
What?
Pep.
What is that? Pork?
Yeah, pork.
No, no pork. Okay. This is
Beef.
beef. Okay. Beef. No, I cannot eat beef.
Beef.
Okay, beef. Okay. Okay. Man, that is a lot of food. Okay, fish. Is this? Oh, yeah, so that's squid, right?
Fish.
Yeah, I'll take that as well. Okay.
Waiting me.
Okay. तो ये सीन है, हर चीज़ यहाँ पे लगी हुई है। तो अपन ने सिर्फ यहाँ से खाना है सी फूड, और साथ में अपन खाएंगे यहाँ से सारा सी फूड। बाकी नूडल सूप वगैरह भी है, ये भी है, लेकिन ये किसने खाना है? अपन को तो सारा सी फूड खाना है यहाँ से। ओ calamari. I think this will be good. This will be good. This will be good. This will be really good. Oh shit. I'm amazed by the variety of fucking seafood over here that they have. So he's coming back. Yeah. Alrighty. There is he. Oh, there he is. There he is. Okay.
Seafood.
Seafood.
First,
Yep.
Okay.
Seafood first. Let's go. Oh shit. Shrimps. Nice.
Shrimp. Yeah.
Nice.
Look one around.
Look at that.
Good for me.
I can eat.
I eat too much.
Okay, you eat too much? Okay, good.
Good for me.
Good for you. Oh man.
Anything else? You can choose.
Yeah.
You like.
Shrimps, yeah. I'll take shrimps. This is squid, right?
Yeah. Shit. Oh, shit. Last.
Oh, what?
Last.
Last? The last. Okay, the last. Okay.
When we feel not hungry.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. It's like, let's eat that at the last because we don't want to get full with this thing.
The shrimp.
Shrimps, yep. Oh, nice. Oh shit. We are having a fucking feast over here. Okay. More, yeah. More. I like these.
You want this?
Yeah. Which one is better? This one or that one? That one as well, nice. Okay.
Good for him.
Yeah.
It's very expensive. You buy.
Okay.
Enough to eat. Okay,
Okay, let's go eat first. Let's go feast first. Oh, somewhere it's charcoal, so that's even better.
Very sharp.
Where is it? Okay, now it's done. Yeah, now it's dead.
Very nice.
ये फ्रेश निकालो और अपने सामने बनाओ.
I think that.
Yeah. One more guy. Have one more?
No.
Finish?
Not finished. I need to feel. You want to cast? I can.
Yeah, why not? Let's go take the sauces, because we need sauces with this. We need to sauce it up. Gotta sauce it up. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. This one. He's getting a bowl for the sauce. This one looks good. It's garlic and chili. I think this is fish sauce. ये तो अपनी चटनी लग रही है वैसे. होगी नहीं. This is fish sauce? Okay.
No.
Fish sauce? This one is good.
Recommend right here.
Right here?
Right here.
Okay. What's this? Spicy?
Yes, spicy.
Let's take some.
Like Thailand not spicy. You know?
Okay.
Spicy
And then you said this one?
really?
Biết tôi nói kem mà lấy được chấm kem á hả?
Nó lấy cho
Chứ, nó lấy tôi
Okay.
nói
I say.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Những bàn có bỏ.
And we're getting more shrimps, because shrimps are necessary. Okay, you're doing this.
Wow. More? Yeah. Okay, enough.
Okay.
Nice.
There we go. Okay,
Perfect.
let's do it. Let's start the feast. Okay. Plates. Do you have plates? Where do you get the plates? Let me get the plates. Oh.
Con vào.
Good.
Oh shit.
I'm like, if you're gonna come on my plate, come on the grill first, bro. There you go. Mmm. Mmm. Cooked, right? Oh, this is very good.
So small.
Oh yeah. The head, the brain gums. Oh. Sorry, the brain juice. If you like shrimps, you must like the brain juice.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Still alive.
Yep, still alive. Yeah, yeah.
No limit.
Too good. अभी और shrimps बन रहे हैं.
Waiting. Paradise steak.
Oh, gone, gone. मेरे की YouTube मुझे ना भेजी ना दे गई कि तुम जिंदा श्रिम्प्स पका रहे हो यहाँ पे कुत्ते के खस्मों.
Where my shoe?
What?
Where my shoe?
यार इतना कोई फिट लड़का है, मैं बैठा हूँ सामान सारा लाई जा रहा है. अब ये लाया है, ये भी खाए हैं, ये हम नीचे फेंकी जा रहे हैं खा के. मतलब चंबी जा रहे हैं हम लोग, बस चंबी जा रहे हैं. मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आ रही कि क्या खाएं, इतना ज़्यादा सामान है. आधा सामान तो मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है अपनी ज़िंदगी में, तो जो मैंने देखा है वो मैं खाई जा रहा हूँ. ओए होए होए होए, ओ अकेला आया ही.
When I
Oh.
feel on, take a picture.
ओके, हाँ देखिए जी. ये लोग बहुत सी फूड खाते हैं, हम तो कुछ नहीं खा रहे. मैं साथ वालों टेबलों पे देख रहा हूँ लोग 20-20 ऑयस्टर खा के ला रहे हैं. मैंने 2 ऑयस्टर खाए, मैंने कहा नहीं मैंने श्रिम्प खाने और बाकी चीज़ें खानी है. कहता क्यों? मैंने कहा मैं कच्चे खाता हूँ, ये ऑयस्टर पके हुए मेरे से नहीं खाए जाते. ओए,
Happy, happy, happy.
हैप्पी हैप्पी. Put it here. Okay. Let's put it in the bowl. I'll take both. Don't worry. ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲਾਂਗੇ. ਉਹ Okay. Man, this guy is so stubborn. मैंने कहा YouTube ही ना बैन कर दे कि बर्बरियत कर रहा हूँ मैं. Still alive, yeah.
I will in the freezer.
Okay. I don't know what is this. I don't know, but I'll eat it.
You should try. They have crab table. If you want to eat crab table, right here.
I know what is that. It's a,
I don't know the name. In Vietnam, I don't know the name.
I forgot the name, but I know. This is also very expensive in America. Now he's making this. Okay. I think this is sea urchin, and then in sea urchin they put this one.
It's
Peanuts.
peanuts and cheese.
Okay.
White chicken. And white chicken.
Now we wait to it to cook. He's mixing things up. Like now he made one more with the black pepper sauce. The sauce is like way too good of a sauce. And now he's making one more.
Here's the shot.
Oh. He was like, eat slowly if you want to eat more. If you want to eat less, then eat fast. And I was like, okay, let me take a break then. And I thought I'm eating a lot. People over here are eating a lot. So this is like nothing compared to what people are eating.
You put that right here.
Mix it.
Wait.
Okay.
Put in the mouth.
Okay.
Because you know the bit right here.
Okay.
You need to put
Okay. So this is sea urchin. And we put a quail egg in there and some peanut sauce. Oh my god, this is so fucking good. मैं डर लग रहा था. It was so good. Very good.
the girlfriend when she come here. Eat around 30.
Fuck. ये भैया दूसरा वाला आ गया है. मेरा GoPro ऑफ हो गया था क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत है. तो भैया उसने कहा कि मैं बहुत गर्म हो गया, मुझे बंद करने दो थोड़ी देर के लिए, फिर चला लेना. मैंने बैटरी चेंज करके दोबारा चला लिया. अल्लाह ना करे कुछ हो अब इसको. We go for the next one. So he said mix it up first so that we can take out the sea urchin from inside. last one with the black pepper sauce. इतना खा लिया है कि टिड्डी भरी हुई है और अभी और बन रहा है. ये स्कैलप बन रहे हैं. The best thing over here was this sea urchin with quail egg. Oh my god, I had like around 8-9 of those. I cannot believe because I don't like eggs. And this is really good. So we're just eating it. We're just feasting on everything we can. This is the sea urchin again with peanut sauce and some green onions. So what you do is you just mix it up because there's sea urchin in there. You want to mix that up, and then you just take it all, mix it up nicely so everything is nicely mixed. Mix. And then what you do is you take it all.
Perfect.
Perfect. This is the best thing because I love sea urchin and I wasn't sure that if I would like quail egg. But dude, this shit is really good. And now we have clams with also peanuts and okay, there you go, 2 clams. One is with peanuts and green onion, one is with peanut sauce. I'm gonna eat both.
Yeah, let me. With water.
With
A
water?
little water. Yes.
That
To
tastes
renew the taste.
So they recommend after eating everything, take some water so that you can feel the taste of the next thing.
Be careful.
Yep, hot. Be careful, it's hot. This is so good.
I want to try.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I want.
Oh, you want to try as well? Okay.
This one.
This one? Okay. This one.
Too yummy.
Too yummy. Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. No vegetables for me. I'm sorry. No vegetables. Fried sushi. Huh. No, thank you. No rice.
Yeah. I don't eat rice.
Yeah.
I go to buffet.
Yeah, why do you want to eat rice at buffet? Like, you're wasting your money.
Resting.
वो लोग ऐसे डाल रहे हैं जैसे पता नहीं कैसे खाते हैं यार ये लोग. मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रही इनके खाते कैसे इतना ज़्यादा. पतले पतले लोग हैं लेकिन इतना खा लेते हैं. This is what we brought.
No?
No?
You small. Yeah.
Okay, like
You
this.
show you like this.
Okay. So you dip it in. Take it like this. Okay. Seafood.
With coconut.
With coconut, yeah. It's seafood, but like the real taste is actually of coconut. Good.
Good.
Good. Actually very good. Actually very good. This is actually very good.
You don't with me, you don't need anymore. Why?
It's very good. It's very good actually. I think because I love coconut. I told him, I was like, oh, no, I'm really full. Don't take this. And he was like, you try one. I tried one, I ate all.
You need to try.
Dude, we came here at 4:30. 4:30. So 7:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 3 hours. 3 fucking hours. And I'm so full. He was like, eat more. I was like, if I eat more, I'm gonna throw up now. We had so much. Now, यहाँ पे vlog end करूँगा क्योंकि इससे आगे जो करना है वो अगले vlog में डालना है. ये बहुत लंबा हो गया vlog पहले से ही. तो मुझे अगला vlog स्टार्ट करना है यहाँ से. तो आप लोगों को मैं इससे अगले vlog में मिलूँगा सेम कपड़ों में, सेम बालों में, सेम दाढ़ी में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय और आपको मिलते हैं वेरी सून. टेक केयर. बताना कैसा लगा. टोटल बिल आया 4 लाख 2 बंदों का. तो मैं कन्वर्ट करके नीचे बता दूँ कितना बनता है. एंड हो गई अन्नी पै गई इतने थे. Now he's ready. I'm full. Want to say bye? Bye-bye everybody. He's so full. He can't even say bye-bye. Chalo, bye.